Hey there, this is Marcel from Lux Life. Welcome to our adventure at the 30th edition of the Dubai International Boat Show. This isn't just any boat show, it's like a journey through luxury, innovation and the sheer joy of the maritime lifestyle. Imagine the backdrop of stunning Dubai Marina as we dive into what makes Dubai International Boat Show a must-visit event. Let's get started. Our first stop, the breathtaking Dubai Harbour. With the skyline of Dubai Marina painting the horizon, it's like stepping into a postcard. But we're not just here for the views, we're about to explore the cutting edge of the maritime world. First up, we're checking out the latest gear for yachts, boats and divers. Think of it as the tech show of the sea. From state-of-the-art navigation system that could probably take us to Mars and back, to diving gear that makes you feel like Aquaman. It's all here. And it's not just about looking cool, it's about pushing boundaries and exploring the waters with confidence and some style. In the real estate corner of the show, it wasn't just about any homes. It was like the creme de la creme of waterfront living. Picture this, the biggest real estate tycoons from Dubai, all in one place, flaunting their latest projects. We're talking ultra luxurious, jaw-dropping properties that make you wonder if you stepped into a future where everyone lives like royalty. I would say each model and project was a peek into future lifestyles where your front yard is the ocean and your neighbors are dolphins. I think it's pretty cool, huh? Zooming over to the supercars, it was a treat for the eyes and ears. The lineup was spectacular with the likes of Bugatti, Ferrari, Porsche and Mansory tuning the place into a racetrack of luxury. You can see each car was a masterpiece, a dream on four wheels. Look at these colors here of this beautiful Mansory car. And get this, even the Dubai police joined the party. They're showcasing their newest boat in this amazing car design. It's like they decided, why chase on land when you can chase on water and style? Definitely a sight to behold. But the real stars of the show, the superyachts. We got exclusive access to some of the jaw-droppingly luxurious yachts on the planet. Just imagine some floating mansions, but even more lavish. Now let's talk about one of the crown jewels of the show, the Sunseeker 88. Luckily we got an exclusive tour of this beautiful yacht. Walking through the decks was like wandering through a mansion that just happens to float. Every inch of this yacht was dripping in luxury, from the elegantly designed living spaces to the sun-soaked decks perfect for soaking in those sea views. It was a glimpse into a life where your biggest dilemma is whether to dine indoors or under the stars. The Sunseeker 88 wasn't just a yacht, it was a floating dream and we got a first-hand look. 26 meters, 8 guests, 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathroom and 2 additional rooms for the crew. Selling price around €3 million. But we also saw many other amazing yachts. Just have a look and enjoy the view on these beautiful yachts. As our day at the boat show comes to a close, it's hard to not feel a little bit sad. From the latest in maritime tech to the epitome of luxury living, both on land and sea, Dubai International Boat Show truly has it all. It's like a place where the passion for the ocean meets the pinnacle of refined lifestyle, and we've just had a glimpse into this amazing world. So guys, thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep dreaming big and setting sail towards your next adventure. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, as it helps us to produce better content in the future. Who knows what horizons we'll explore next.